Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover D300 SE, with an eye-catching Hakuba Silver exterior complementing the shadow exterior pack. This Range Rover also comes fitted with pixel LED headlights as well as 22-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels, also featuring keyless entry and privacy glass. This Range Rover also benefits from a full service history as well as its manufacturer's warranty up until September 2027. Stepping inside the Range Rover now, we're just going to take a look at the electric window controls as well as the driver seat memory function, Meridian sound system and blind spot assist. This Range Rover also comes fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.